It's so hot. I am so tired. But I must work. Oh no, my axe. What shall I do now? Oh no.
What are you, farmer?
Oh, who are you?
I am a river fairy. What happened?
My axe fell into the river. I have no money to buy new axe.
Don't worry, I will help you. This is your axe.
This is a golden axe. It's not mine.
Okay. This is your axe.
This is a silver axe. It's not mine.
Alright. This is your axe.
Yes, my iron axe, my old axe. Thank you very much.
You are good man. You are so honest. Take this golden axe and silver axe. They are my gift to you.
Thank you.
Very good.